How to increase Milestone Credit Card limit. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that you meet the criteria set by Milestone for your credit limit increase. This typically includes having an account in good standing with on-time payments and low credit utilization. You can head towards the website of Milestone, then log into your account. Once logged in, look for an option to request your credit limit increase. Follow the instructions provided. With that, you will be able to increase your credit limit. Or else, what you can do is call Milestone customer service and speak to a representative. Be prepared to provide information about your income and employment, as well as reasons for requesting the increase. Make sure Milestone has your most up-to-date income information, as a higher income may support a higher credit limit. Sometimes Milestone may automatically increase your credit limit after you have demonstrated responsible credit usage for a certain period. Keep an eye on your account for any notifications about automatic increases. By following these steps and demonstrating responsible credit management, you can increase your chances of receiving a credit limit increase on your Milestone credit card. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.